Good morning, guys. So welcome back to Daniel Motor Vlog, and we are here again with a new video. So this was all set for the today's ride, and actually I'm going in the Meteor. So last video you might have seen, I have went in KTM. So this time I'm going in my bike, that is Meteor 350. Let's start our ride. So where I'm going today is Karnataka. Good morning, and it's 5:19. I'm getting off from Mumbai, and I hope I might reach earlier to Pune. So I have changed the visor also, and it's pretty much clear now, because last time what happened is I didn't had a visor properly, and it was fully scratched. So that's the reason, I was not able to ride it at night time. And now this time I'm pretty much good. I'm feeling good. And one more thing, I'm going alone, so I'm feeling something is missing, because every time I go with my wife, and right now she's not with me behind. Feeling like something is missing. It's okay. This time, no. 5:19. I have to rush and get off the city as earlier as possible. Video recording है मारो. So right now we are filling up the tank, because I don't want to stop anywhere. चलो बस 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 बस.
ऑनलाइन है.
हो गया, देख लो. ठीक है ना, चलो, थैंक यू. ठीक है ना, चलो. Okay, so we are done and we are getting off. Now we won't stop anywhere till Pune. That's what the plan was, and yeah, that's the plan is. Don't want to stuck in that Monday morning traffic. People might be going to the office. So it's a beautiful morning right here in Khandala. So for this Ray, we went to Chandiri trek last week, and now I'm heading towards Goa. Wow. So in an hour, I think so, 2 hours, I've reached Lonavala. Yeah, 1.5 hours might be. And still long way to go, because I have just came across around 100 kilometers or 90. So I have to go around 500 plus. Cool over here. And I forgot to bring my gloves. So last time I came to this new Katraj tunnel, but मैंने record नहीं किया था. So this time, so this is a new kind of feeling. So as of now, I'm in the petrol tank. I'm in the petrol pump. So this is the second time I'm filling up the tank. Almost I have crossed 300 plus kilometer. I have crossed Satara. So in the still I have to go to Kolhapur. Then I have to go to Goa. So this is how I have planned. Let's see, the ETR which is showing ETA, estimated time to arrive that particular destination, showing around 4:40, but most probably it will take around 6 if I'll go on the same speed and the same pace. Let's see how it goes. It's not too tired, but yeah, it's okay. Morning ride, it's been a good ride. Because all the way from Mumbai, now climate is good, and that's why I can ride. That is a good thing. Okay. But if you're coming, if you have a bigger bike, then that will be much comfortable for you. Let's see. The 370 kilometers plus I have to ride, then I'll reach the destination. I hope before 6 I reach, so that I can do my stuff. That's where I'm looking. There's a second stop or rest I'm taking, because after crossing Pune I have took the break. So now I'm for 5 minutes, not more than that. Let's go. So it's a quite good ride. So right now I'm crossing Satara after filling my tank, because this I thought, going ahead in an empty tank rather than going ahead in an empty tank. We can fill up that because I don't want to stop anywhere until 1 o'clock. So we will ride. So right now I'm in Kolhapur, and what I can see is, it's totally a different feel when you actually see what is outside. So this is all sugarcane farm. So I didn't take a break. Morning 5 o'clock I get down from my home, and right now it's 11:17. You can see here, and I've reached Kolhapur. So it's a quite good ride, no pain. If you have a good bike, you will reach earlier. If you have a smaller cc bike, that is okay, man. That is okay. Whichever you have to enjoy with that. So I took a small break now. In the shade look under the it's totally थोड़ा गर्म हो रहा है. Going to have apple, which one maybe. Then most probably get out. Let's see. जो से टायर का है क्या बड़ी में बड़ी पर so it's level 48 and 200 kilometers more to go. I think the roads are Nipani to road will be little bit narrow. Let's check. Good job, my boy. I thought it won't make. Do the service. What I could do now. Do karna or what? I'll do the service. I think I can go to Mapusa, then from there I can go to Panaji. Moscow is also near. Majorda, Kolva. I can go on that particular coastal route. Okay. From Mapusa I can get into Highway 56. That will be better. As of now I'm in NH 48. I have to move to inside of the coastal road. This road I have to go.